Hi guys, my name is Rahul and today we are going to do the unboxing of Galaxy S10e. So on the back side of the box there is a lot of specs mentioned, like it has a 50 plus dynamic camera display, super speed dual pixel camera, that is 12 MB with f1.5 to f2.4 variable aperture, ultra wide 16 MB f2.2 aperture camera. There is dual pixel 10 MB autofocus selfie camera, 120 GB memory, 6 GB RAM, stereo speakers, the wireless charging and everything. So this phone costs around 50,000, uh, around 15,000 right now. The relevance of this phone is very less because of the launch of Galaxy S10 Lite and the Galaxy Note 10 Lite, but still I think it's a worthy device with super slow motion and everything. So in terms of specs, it has a Exynos 9 series 98208nm chipset, and the difference is that it has 5.8 inch full HD plus display, which is a very small phone and feels pretty good in the hand. So that's it. It has super slow mo, and the main camera is better than the Galaxy S10 and S10 Lite and Galaxy Note 10 Lite. That's pretty sure because of the dual, you know, the cameras with the dual aperture. So inside the box, let's go through the box here. So first we have the paper box, which has the SIM ejector pin. Then on the inside the paper pouch, we can find the cover. That's a very different cover, unusual back case for a phone. Looks like band-aid. I don't know what it looks like. It's something. Then there's a usual leaflets that we don't read. Okay, so let me put it aside. So that's inside this paper pouch, and let me make sure that it is on one side. Okay, I'm not able to close it. Yeah, that's it. Then we have the, I can say, you can see the, okay, there's little more things inside. It's kind of a small flagship. With if you need a small phone and a flagship, this is the best phone for you. The battery backup is low because of 3100 mAh battery. Still, if you need a small phone with flagship spec, your only choice is now Galaxy S10e right now in India. So that is that. So let's continue with the unboxing. How so this is the phone. As I said, it's very small phone. You can feel that the power button is on the side, which is also the power fingerprint scanner, obviously. Sorry for the confusion. And there is a charger, which is a fast charger, but nothing special here. It's 9 watt or 5 watt, 9 watt charger. It's nothing special here. So the brick is big, but it's not that special. Then we have this, what you can say, it's an adapter, USB type C adapter. Maybe you can connect another phone to transfer the files to Galaxy S10e. Then there is this, what's inside this? Let me open it. I don't understand what's inside it. Okay, the cable. So there is the USB type C cable here. So that's the USB type C cable, obviously. It's a good quality cable, you can see that, right? It's a pretty decent cable, white color cable. It's a USB type C cable, just showing you out. Just zooming into this cable. So then again, let me see. Then there's the earphone that is tuned by AKG. So that's also a pretty good one, right? Let me try to open it, and yeah, okay, I got it. So that's it. It's kind of braided, right? It's a braided cable. It looks nice, and also might sound nice because it's an AKG tuned earphone. It might be sounding nice, right? So there is extra tips for you, the small, medium, large. So we can keep it aside and show you the AKG logo here. You can see that. So that is that. That's all. What is inside this box here. So I was talking about the Galaxy S10e. The specialty of this phone is it has water and dust resistant. It has super zoom camera, And the primary camera has actually uh, variable aperture from f1.5 to f2.4. So that's the difference between Galaxy S10 Lite or Galaxy Note 10 Lite. Maybe the difference there is also Galaxy S10 Lite has Snapdragon processor. The Exynos chipset is pretty bad. In terms of power, it's okay, but in terms of power consumption, it's pretty bad. So that is the. So it looks nice. The white color, it looks nice. So yeah, there is a lot of plastic around here. So I will be removing it sometime soon. So you can see it looks pretty nice. It's very small. It looks nice. It has two cameras, like as I said, f1.5 to f2.5 variable aperture camera. Then this ultra wide camera, laser autofocus, right? Sorry, it has dual pixel autofocus. Sorry for that. So on the side there is a power button or the fingerprint scanner, and on the top there is mic and SIM tray. It is a hybrid SIM slot. I mean, net two nano SIMs and one micro SD slot, either of them. So on the sides, wire and rocker. Then this side, on the bottom you have the 3.5 headphone jack, USB Type C port, and the speaker. And also there's a microphone. I'm sorry. So it has dual speakers. It has also has speaker inside the earpiece, so you can have the dual front firing speakers, or you can say that it also has Dolby Atmos support. On the front it has 5.8-inch Full HD Plus display, dynamic AMOLED display. It has HDR10 support, and it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. So you can see there is the front camera, that is 10 megapixel dual pixel front facing camera with 80-degree wide angle lens and f1.9 aperture camera. It can also record 4K from the front camera, so that's also nice. The battery, as I said, is a small battery, 3100 mAh battery. So I'm sorry, I'm trying to hide this. I think there's IMEI information, that's why. So it is One UI version 1.1. So currently I'm using this because it has One UI 2, and the security patch here is January. Sorry, I got a mistake. The security patch. Currently it has been updated. So let me see what's the storage. Let me search for the storage here. Cannot find the storage. Device care. Okay, find it. Storage you can get out of the box. 90.9 GB used, unnecessary data 12.5 GB, available space is 108.1 GB out of 120 GB, so that's nice. So we have camera, Bixby Vision, AR image, and a lot of options here. We can record 4K on all three cameras, 4K 60 fps, and there is the ultra wide camera, there is the AI smart feature camera, pro mode, full chrome mode, food mode, panorama mode, live focus, photo, video, super slow mo. That's a specialty of this phone, hyperlapse. Super slow mo is super nice. I will be sharing a lot of samples of these things. The camera, so you can see the rear camera, you can see that it can record up to 4K 60 fps. Then there is a front camera, it can record up to 4K 30 fps. That's nice. It's a pretty good camera. It has autofocus also, so that's rare. There's video stabilization, HDR, grid lines, location tags, and on and so on. There is shooting methods, quick review. That's it. There is a lot of features here, decent features. So the scene optimizer is like the AI mode on different cameras, so that is that. So I have put the case on, and I really don't like this case, so I bought another case for this phone already. So from the local store, obviously, which I liked after using it, seeing it. So it's a snug fit case that comes with it, but I really don't like it. It looks weird. So that is that. So I'm trying to get the case out, and it's very snug fit as I told you. So finally I got it out. It looks nice. So I will be sharing a lot of samples, and watch these samples and enjoy all these samples, because I am not going to do a detailed review of this one. So thank you for watching this video. I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.
If you're out if you were down, and if you're out if you were down, I could get a little and if you're out if you were down, and if you're out I could get a little
Hi, this is the 4K video sample of Samsung Galaxy S10 from the primary camera. This is the ultra wide angle 4K sample of Galaxy S10e. The super steady mode in Galaxy S10e. I am walking really fast here. Hi, this is the 4K front facing camera of Galaxy S10e. Actually, I have an afterthought about this unboxing video because I have quite explained about this phone, and also the launch of iPhone SE also has made me thought a little more about this phone. I'm not going to do a full review, but I am going to give you my side 2 cents about this phone. So, as an iPhone, it is available for 42,000. It seemed to be the best, or at least the reviewers believe that it is the best small flagship device available, and there is no competitor from Android here at this space. But they are wrong. Actually, S10e, the Samsung Galaxy S10e, is its direct competitor. Think about it. It has a flagship processor, maybe the last years, but still, it's a very plenty powerful processor, and it has a AMOLED display which is also edge to edge, and it has a small cutout for the front camera, and it is a very modern looking phone. It's a very good looking phone. It's a small phone, still it has a big display, at least compared to iPhone SE, right? And it has good cameras. I mean, really good cameras. Destiny has good cameras. As you can see, the samples are shared that the camera is really good, right? So I'm a little confused why people are not talking about Galaxy S10. I know the Exynos chipset is not the best around here, but think about it. It's a really good phone, man. If you can get the Snapdragon variant from outside India, or for the international audience, if you can get the Snapdragon device, it is the best, one of the best small phone available, right? And it has great 4K 60 fps video recording from front, from back, and it also has a ultra wide camera just like iPhone 11, right? So I mean, technically speaking, I believe it is a better device than the iPhone SE. So that's what I think. So when you even consider iPhone SE, and if somebody says Android does not have such a phone available, tell them that there is an S10e. So thank you for watching this video. I will see you on the next one. So keep your hands clean and wear mask when you're outside, and be safe. Bye bye.